Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Asset Management Report. Today is Tuesday, August 12, 2008. The first 6 months of this year have taken plenty of casualties in the European market, with asset managers being dealt some of the harshest blows. According to Financial News, the top 20 asset managers' headquarters in Europe managed 10.4 trillion euros between them at the beginning of the year. According to the company reports, the figure implies a fall of more than 400 billion euros in asset managed to the end of the first quarter. The decline in assets at many of the firms continued in the second quarter, with firms losing more than 150 billion euros. Staying with asset management news, the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation has appointed Matthew Lewis to head up its new syndicated loan business in Europe. Lewis will become Vice President, European Loans Product Management, effective immediately. In this newly created position, he will lead the business development for DTCC's LoanServe product line in Europe. LoanServe is a new suite of services that will help automate and streamline the processing of syndicated commercial loans in both Europe and the United States. And in more asset management news, according to Investment Management Weekly, the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation is hunting for private equity and real estate firms with which to enter strategic partnerships. PBGC spokesman Jeffrey Spiker says these searches have developed out of a modification of the $55 billion plan's investment policy that was approved in February. The newly approved asset allocation policy set a 10% target for alternatives. The remaining allocations consist of 45% each into diversified equities and fixed income. And in other asset management news, Australia's Victorian Funds Management Corporation is believed to be nearing a selection of a new CIO. According to Investment and Technology, Adrian Blundell-Wignall, former BT Financial Group's senior funds manager, is believed to be in negotiations to be the next CIO, with Corm Ferry serving as Victorian's funds headhunter. Blundell-Wignall was in Australia serving as Deputy Director of Financial and Enterprise Affairs for OECD. He has also worked with the Reserve Bank and Citigroup at Smith Barney. Victorian Funds lost its former CIO, Leo de Bever, in July after he returned to Canada to head up a government-owned funds management organization. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Asset Management channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.